Are you down for this? If you're in the mood, we can take it to the moon. Like a movie scene, table for two. No need to be fed, I want you instead.
History of computer. The first counting device was used by the primitive people. They used sticks, stones, and bones as counting tools. As human mind and technology improved with time, more computing devices were developed. Some of the popular devices, starting with the first to recent ones, are described below. Abacus. The history of computer begins with the birth of abacus, which is believed to be the first computer. It is said the Chinese invented abacus around 4,000 years ago. It was a wooden rack which has metal rods with beads mounted on them. The beads were moved by the abacus operator according to some rules to perform arithmetic calculations. Abacus is still used in some countries like China, Russia, and Japan. An image of the soul is shown above. Next is the Napier's bones. Napier's bones was a manually operated calculating device which was invented by John Napier in 1550 to 1617 of Merchiston. In this calculating tool, he used 9 different ivory strips or bones marked with numbers to multiply and divide, so the tool became known as Napier's bones. It was also the first machine to use the decimal point. Next is the Pascal line. The Pascal line is also known as arithmetic machine or adding machine. It was invented between 1642 and 1644 by a French mathematician philosopher, Blaise Pascal. It is believed that it was the first mechanical and automatic calculator. Pascal invented this machine to help his father, a tax accountant. It could only perform addition and subtraction. It was a wooden box with a series of gears and wheels. When a wheel is rotated and one revolution, it rotates the neighboring wheel. A series of windows is given on the top of the wheels to read the totals. An image of this tool is shown above. Next is step reckoner or Leibniz wheel. It was developed by a German mathematician philosopher, Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz, in 1673. He improved Pascal's invention to develop this machine. It was also a digital mechanical calculator, which was called the step reckoner, as instead of gears it was made of flat drums. See the following images.
Difference engine. In the early 1820s, it was designed by Charles Babbage, who is known as father of modern computer. It was a mechanical computer which could perform simple calculations. It was a steam-driven calculating machine designed to solve tables and numbers like logarithm tables. This calculating machine was also developed by Charles Babbage in 1830. It was a mechanical computer that used punch cards as input. It was capable of solving any mathematical problem and storing information as a permanent memory. Tabulating machine. It was invented in 1890 by Herman Hollerith, an American statistician. It was a mechanical tabulator based on punch cards. It could tabulate statistics and record or sort data or information. This machine was used in 1890 U.S. Census. Hollerith also started the Hollerith Tabulating Machine Company, which later became International Business Machine in 1924. Mark I. The next major changes in the history of computer began in 1937 when Howard Aiken planned to develop a machine that could perform calculation involving large numbers. In 1944, Mark I computer was built as partnership between IBM and the Harvard. It was the first programmable computer. Generations of computers. A generation of computer refers to a specific improvements in computer technology with time. In 1946, electronic pathways called circuits were developed to perform the counting. It replaced the gears and other mechanical parts used for counting previous computing machines. In each new generation, these circuits became smaller and more advanced than the previous generation circuits. The miniaturization helped increase the speed, memory, and power of computers. There are 5 generations of computer which are described below. Generation computers. The first generation was in 1946 to 1959. Computers were slow, huge, and expensive. In these computers, vacuum tubes were used as the basic components of CPU and memory. These computers were mainly depended on batch operating system, and punch cards, magnetic tape, and paper tape were used as output and input devices in this generation. Some of the popular generation computers are ENIAC, EDVAC, UNIVAC, IBM 701, IBM 650, Integrator, and Computer.
Second generation's computer was started in 1959 to 1965. It was an era of transistor computers. These computers used as transistors, which were cheap, compact, and consuming less of power. It made transistor computers faster than the first generation's computer. In this generation, magnetic cores were used as a primary memory, and magnetic disks and tapes were used as a secondary storage. Assembly language and programming languages like COBOL or Common Business-Oriented Language, Fortran or Formula Translation, and batch processing and multi-programming operating system were used in these computers. Some of the popular second generations of computer are IBM 1620, IBM 7094, IBM Mintz International Business Machine, CDC 1604, CDC 3600, and UNIVAC 1108. The third generation's computer used integrated circuit or ICs instead of transistors. A single IC can pack large number of transistors, which increase the power of the computer and reduce the cost. The computer also became more reliable and efficient and smaller in size. These generations computers use remote processing, time-sharing multi-programming as an operating system. Also, the high-level and programming languages like Fortran, second to fourth, COBOL, Pascal, PL1, or Programming Language 1, ALGOL 68 were used in this generation. Some of the popular for third generation computer are IBM 660 series, Honeywell 6000 series, PDP or Personal Data Processor, IBM 370 by 168, and the last one is a TDC 316. Fourth generation's computer. The fourth generation was started in 1971 to 1980. Computer used very large-scale integrated or VLSI circuits, a chip containing millions of transistors and the other circuit elements. These chips made this generation's computer more compact, powerful, fast, and affordable. This generation's computer used a real-time, time-sharing, and distributed operating system. The programming languages like C, C++, DBase were also used in the generation. Some of the popular fourth generation's computers are DIC-10, Star 1000, PDP second, Gray 1 or supercomputer, and Gray XMP or supercomputer. Fifth generation's computer. In fifth generations was started in 1980 to still date computer. The VLSI technology was replaced with ULSI or ultra large scale integration. It made possible the production of microprocessor chips with 10 million electronic components. This generation's computer use parallel processing, hardware, and AI or artificial intelligence software. The programming languages used in this generation were C, C++, Java, Net, or etc. Some of the popular fifth generation's computer are desktop, laptop, notebook, ultrabook, or Chromebook.